Hello there and welcome to SNMB Academy. In this video we'll be looking at how to expand brackets. Let's just start with a nice and easy one first. So let's say I have 3 bracket x plus 2. Now one thing we need to understand is to expand brackets, what we're basically doing is that whatever we have outside the brackets, we are going to multiply with everything inside the brackets. So in this case I'll multiply 3 with x and then eventually multiply 3 with 2. So let's just start with 3 multiplying with x. So 3 multiplied with x gives us 3x. Now I'll do 3 multiplied by 2. That's plus 2. So 3 multiplied with plus 2 gives me plus 6. And that's our brackets expanded. So we have to obviously be very attentive about our signs. So let's say now I start with 5 bracket y. Again, you can have any number or term inside, so minus 3. So now I'm multiplying 5 multiplied with y, that's 5y, and then 5 multiplied with minus 3. So 5 multiplied with minus 3, that's minus 15. So 5y minus 15. Let's step it up a little bit. Let's say we have 4 bracket x squared plus x. So in this one I'll multiply 4 by x squared, so that's 4x squared, and then 4 with plus x, so that's plus 4 times x is 4x. So the answer would be 4x squared plus 4x. Let's see harder ones. So I have 3x now outside. Now x squared plus x plus 3. Now outside the bracket over here, we have 2 terms, so that's 3x. So we are going to multiply 3x with everything, not just 3 and x separate. 3x is, together, so we will multiply it together. So 3x multiplied with x squared. So 3, that will stay as 3. X times by x squared is x cubed. 3x multiplied with plus x now. So again, plus, the number is multiplied. So remember that x has 1 next to it, right? So 3 multiplied by 1, we say 3. X times by x is x squared plus. So 3x now multiply with plus 3. So 3 again times by 3 is 9. And x, there's no x there, it just stays as x. So very nice and straightforward. All you are doing is take a term, multiply with every single one individually. Now, let's just say when we're dealing with 2 brackets at a time now. So if we have x plus 4 in one bracket, and let's have x plus 3 in another bracket. Now, in this one again, everything that we have in this bracket will be multiplied with everything in this bracket. So let's do it one by one. So let's multiply x with everything in this bracket. So multiply x with x. So that will be x squared. X times x squared. Now x multiply with 3. Positive 3. So that's plus 3x. And now we got this 4. So now 4 we are going to multiply with everything in this bracket. So 4 times by x, that's plus 4x, since this is plus 4 times by plus x. And then 4 multiplied by 3. So 4 times by 3 is plus 12. So every time we've just multiplied everything in this bracket with everything in this bracket. Now we got x squared plus 3x plus 4x plus 12. So now we are going to add the like terms. So like term means, let's have a look at we got x squared. Have we got any other x squareds? No. So that stays as x squared. And we have 3x plus 4x. Those are like terms. We have x and x. So 3x plus 4x will become 7x. And 12, there are no any numbers, so that will stay as 12. So this simplifies to x squared plus 7x plus 12. And let's just do a last one, in which we are making sure we look at our negatives. So if I have x plus 5 and x minus 2. Now in this one we need to be very careful and look at our negative numbers. So again x, multiply everything in this bracket, x times by x gives us x squared, and x times by minus 2 would be minus 2x. See, need to be very careful with the x's. And then looking at this number 5, so 5 multiplied with x is positive 5x, and 5 multiplied with minus 2 is a negative 10. Plus 5 times minus 2, negative 10. Now we like add on like terms, so x squared, no other x squared, that stays x squared minus 2x plus 5x. So we need to be making sure of our negatives here. Minus 2x plus 5x would be positive 3x. And minus 10 will stay as minus 10, so that's minus 10. So where we are, here we are, we're looking at how to expand brackets, looking at the easy ones, stepping up slowly one by one, and finally multiplying two brackets with one another.